In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or update a review on TikTok. We'll walk through these steps together so you can leave feedback that accurately reflects your current experience with the product. Whether you need to amend a rating or modify the details of your review, this video has you covered. To begin, let's ensure you have the TikTok app installed on your mobile device and are logged in with the account you used to make the purchase. It's important to be on this specific account because your review is tied to it. Once you're in, launch the TikTok app. Now that we're all set up and ready to go, let's dive into the next part of the process. Navigating to the right area of TikTok is straightforward. Head over to your profile. This is usually marked by an icon that says Me or has your profile picture. Once there, you're looking for a shopping bag icon that represents the TikTok shop. Tap on this to enter. Here you'll need to find the particular order you wish to review or edit. Simply scroll through your list of orders to pinpoint the one you have in mind. After locating the order, tap on the order details to enter a more detailed view. Here you will see a section dedicated to reviews. The area we're focusing on may either say Edit Review or Update Review. Tap on this option to gain access to the editing area. This part of the app is designed for ease of use, allowing you to make your updates without much hassle. Now it's time to revise your feedback. You can start by adjusting your star rating. This is useful if your overall satisfaction with the product has changed. Next, go ahead and modify the text of your review to better reflect your updated experience. Perhaps there's more to say now that you've had a bit more time with the product, or maybe some initial issues have been resolved. Additionally, TikTok allows you to add or remove any photos or videos. This visual evidence can be really helpful for other users if the product has significant visual aspects you want to highlight or change. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save them. Simply tap Submit to finalize all the changes you've made. It's that easy. Your review will then be updated to showcase the revised rating and comments for others to see. By following these steps, you can effortlessly keep your feedback relevant and helpful for the TikTok community. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from a bit of guidance on their TikTok journey.